Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to do the basic settings for this watch, Casio GShock G7900. Anyway, if you want to know more about this cool watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first, let's make sure we are in the timekeeping mode. It will look like this, day and then the moon graph, tide graph, hour, minute, second, and so on. But if not, then you can press the mode button several times until you get the high-pitched beeping sound. That one. Okay, now to start to adjust the time, date, and so on, you need to press and hold the adjust button on the top left, this one. And now the second is flashing or blinking. And let's start by setting the length of the afterglow effect for the backlight. And yes, let's see here the star icon, the small one, meaning that the afterglow effect is 3 seconds. And if you want to change, you can press this one, the top right button. And yes, if the icon is the bigger star, it means 5 seconds. So choose whichever you want, but I think I'll go with 3 seconds. It's enough for me. Okay, now we can continue with the setting of the second, this one. You can press the start stop button to reset the second. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute like this. But if it is 29 or less, then it will become 0 without additional minute like this. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the daylight saving. For this one, you can press the start stop button to change the setting. So this one is off. You can press and it will become on. So whichever you want. I will set as off. Okay. And then press the mode button and now we are setting the UTC offset. So for this one, you can use these two buttons, the split reset to reduce by half hour and then the start stop to increase by half hour. And yes, you need to know the UTC offset of your location. But if not, then you can try the link in the description that I will put to guide you to get the UTC offset of your location. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the hour. For this one, you can use the split reset button to decrease, okay, and the start stop button to increase. Okay, so it's like counterclockwise and clockwise. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the minute. For this one, also the same thing. These two buttons will change the number. The split or reset button will decrease and start stop button will increase. Again, press the mode button and now we are setting the year. Also the same thing. Split reset button will decrease and start stop button will increase. Again, mode button and now is the month. Also the same thing. Split reset button will decrease and start stop button will increase. Again, mode button and now is the date. Split reset button will decrease and start stop button will increase. Again, mode button and now is back to the setting of the second and also this one, the afterglow effect. And after that, you can press the adjust button and we will continue setting the longitude and then also the lunitidal interval. So for this one, for the longitude, you can use these two buttons. The split reset button will decrease by 1 degree. And then the start stop button will increase by 1 degree. And my location is 110 degree east. So I will use this one. And yes, you can check the location or the longitude of your location using Google Maps. Or yes, I will also put a link in the description for you to be able to check the longitude of your location. Okay, next, press the mode button and we are now setting this one, east or west of the longitude. So because my location is 110 degree east, then I will choose E. But if your longitude degree is west, then you can press this one, the start stop button, to change to become west. So choose whichever you want, okay? And then press the mode button and now we are setting the lunitidal interval. So this one is the hour of the lunitidal interval. You can use the split reset button to decrease and then the start stop button to increase. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the minute of the lunitidal interval. The split reset button will decrease and the start stop button will increase. And yes, the setting is easy, but to get the number is quite difficult. You might want to check Casio manual book or check with the local hydrographic authority to get the lunitidal interval number. Okay, after this, you can press the mode button and back to the setting of the longitude. And then press the adjust button and done. You have set the time, date, and also the longitude and the Lunitidal interval of your watch. Yes, that's all for the basic settings of this watch. I will also make a more detailed tutorial that will include also timer, alarm, and so on. So yes, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.